What's up, bassinators? Welcome to another episode with me, the Bassinator. Today I am going fishing to Bronkhorstspruit Dam with my new fishing partner. Sorry, Jean. My 5-year-old son, Mr. Grayson. Say hi, Grayson. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my fishing partner for today. It's his first time on the boat, so it's going to be exciting to take him out and catch a couple of fish. So hopefully we have a good day. See you guys on the water. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace. Reel and lift your rod up. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Lift your rod up. Up. Yeah, like that. Reel and go up. Reel and go up. You can. Reel and go up. Here it comes. It's coming. Keep reeling. Lift it up. Lift your rod up. Reel. It's coming. Keep reeling.
Help me.
That's how a fishing is. Now reel. Lift your rod up.
Help me, please.
You can do it, big
Help
boy.
me.
You can do it.
Help.
Yay! High five.
Let's see who bass it. See.
It's your biggest one.
Yes.
Ready? Lift it. Get lifted.
No, don't give it to me. Please, don't. I'm scared to touch it. So don't want to.
So guys, that's the end of the day for us. He's over it now. It's almost 12 o'clock and we heading off home. He managed to fill 2 fish today. I caught 1 or 2 or 2 or 3 off camera. I was focusing more on him trying to catch a fish, but it wasn't easy. There's a lot of boaters on the water today, jet skiers, and they're all over the water. So it was quite hard to try and get a 5-year-old to stay sturdy on the boat.
I also want to make a video.
So we will leave it at that and try again next time. But he had fun and he caught the 2 fish. He got to feel it a bit. It was lekker. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed that little short video and I'll catch you guys on the next episode.
I also want to make
Peace.
a video.
You are in the video.
I also want to make a video.
But you are in the video. So say how's it?
How's it? End of the day. Bye. Subscribe and like video.
You heard that. Subscribe and like to my video, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace.